All right, here's my second run from my Sam's Club run, second load from my Sam's Club run that we did. Previous video was the cheesecake bites. Since I haven't actually freeze dried them because they're all going to be done together in this one load, I can't tell you how those were, so you'll have to go back and check out that video. But I also saw these things called Dubai chocolate style Mochi premium ice cream. Everybody's talking about Dubai chocolate, although I, being a chocolate lover, and I still haven't decided I could afford the money to go out and just splurge on that Dubai chocolate, but I hear it's really good. So these chocolate balls are pistachio flavored ice cream with kadayif and choco bits wrapped in chocolate flavored dough with other natural flavors. Sounds really good. And you get, in this box you get 2 packs with 6, so it looks like a total of 12 pieces, and they weigh 14.8 ounces. So that's what you get inside. Ice cream ball. Who knows what it's going to be like? I have no idea. So 14.8 ounces, let's say 15 ounces. So 2 boxes of these will be just under 2 pounds. So well under our limit. A little experiment here. I have no idea what these even taste like. Once again, I did freeze the trays for these as I was keeping the frozen ice cream cold. Just because I didn't want them to start to melt when I put them on the tray. There you go. Now I'm going to get these transferred to the freezer, and I'm going to try one just the way they're designed to be, just to see what they taste like. Very nice. The dough is a bit chewy, but they taste delicious. I'm wondering if that dough's going to puff up. No, it could puff up. These were on sale. And you know what? I'd buy those again. Those are really good. I enjoyed that. All right, so let me get these in the freezer. Let them keep frozen solid, and they'll be going in my next freeze dryer load. Wish me luck, and we'll see what these come out of the freeze dryer like. I'll see you then. And there we go. 40-hour run on these. We did have some leakage. This one actually leaked and touched my top pad. The others kind of blew out on the sides, it looks like. So, not 100% success there as far as the ice cream goes. But let's just see what one of these blew out. That's one, this one right here. Let's see how they freeze dry. Okay, the doughy crust that was chewy when it was fresh, it's kind of like a cookie. Texture now, very sweet, very nice. Filling is absolutely gorgeous. I like those. Well, what do you know? The dough outside on these has the texture of kind of like a bit of honey. If you can imagine chewing a bit of honey. It's dry, there's no moisture in that, but and it breaks like a cookie. But as you start to chew it, it's kind of like chewing a bit of honey. The ice cream and everything, just the combination together, it's actually a very beautiful snack. I'm super happy with that. Now, I thought about taking these. I did throw these trays away. And I didn't know how these would hold up in the freeze dryer. I was kind of hoping they'd stay totally intact. These didn't, but I thought we could take these and put them back into the tray. Put some of those crumbs on there, why not? And we'll put the rest of these in my jar. So, verdict on those is very, very good. I really like them. I was reading the reviews of these at Sam's Club. A lot of people didn't care for them. Well, I think they're really nice. It's worth a try if you guys just want to buy one box and try it and see if you like them. I like them fresh, and I like them freeze dried. So, I got one more thing to package from this load. We did 3 different things. We've done cheesecake, which is the previous video to this. We've done these, and then we did one more item. And I want to get that bagged up. So, and then I'll bring out my heat sealer, and we'll get these all sealed up in one go. These are gallon bags, so I'm going to put 2 300cc O2 absorbers in each of those bags. All right. I hope you enjoyed that video. That's a new product I don't think anybody's ever done, and I'm quite impressed. What do you think? Hit me up in the comments and let me know. I'll see you next time.